Today we're going to make a trihexaflexagon. This is what you're trying to make. It has 3 sides, and when you flip them around, the designs change. If we were in class, I would give you a template that looks something like this, but we don't have that option, so you're going to make one. You need a plain piece of paper. We're going to use the metric side of your ruler today. Begin by measuring it from the lower left-hand corner, 3.9 centimeters. 3.9. Then slide up, measure 3.9, mark it again. You should have 2 little dots now. Put your straight edge down, aligning the 2 dots, and make a line right across the bottom. Now we're going to begin marking off the triangles. We're going to start with the line that we've drawn. Make sure you've put the end of your measuring tool at the edge of the paper, and you're going to make a little dot at 4.5. And then count off 4.5 centimeters. Again, and again, and again, one more time. You should have 5 sections. Now we're going to turn the paper over, and we're going to work from the upper right corner. Begin by making a dot right on the edge of the paper at 2.25. Now use that mark, put the 4.5 right on the mark, and indicate where that is at the beginning of the ruler. Put the 4.5 on that mark, indicate where it is at the beginning of the ruler. Do that across. Again, you will have 5 full sections and 1/2 of a section. When you're done, it should look something like this, where you have staggered marks. Now we're going to connect them. You're basically drawing the triangles. So connect the diagonal dots, make a nice straight line. Always hold your pencil up straight, it makes your lines nice and clean. You don't get caught under the ruler. Go all the way down, and then you should have a row of angled lines. We're going to connect them the other direction. These lines shouldn't cross one another. You're just trying to create the series of equal triangles. Carry on all the way down until you have the complete row. It'll look like this. And then we're going to begin cutting. Put a slice in the angled end, and then come back from the edge and cut it straight off. This is what you'll have. Cut that little piece off of the end. And now we can begin creasing. It helps to crease each of these lines before we begin. So I like to take them, line them up, and just put a little sharp crease in each line. You want to be as precise as possible. Go all the way through to each of the lines. It should look a little bit like this. Then we're going to begin folding. With 3 triangles at the top, fold it back. With one that's parallel to the bottom edge, flip it backwards. It's really important that this piece goes backwards. Now, you're going to take that and you're going to pull that to the front. When you hold those 2 triangles together, you shouldn't have any play in the middle. There shouldn't be a gap anywhere in the front or in the back. It should be a fairly tightly closed form. Now you're going to glue. Don't overdo the glue, but hold on to it. You want this to be fully dry. Color your designs on all 3 sides. It helps to crease it all up before you begin folding. So you might do that before you've colored it. You might do that while you're coloring it. In order to fold it, pinch 2 of the pieces together and push from the opposite side. If it doesn't open from the middle, you've got the wrong fin. So back up, grab the next set, pinch, push, and it should peel right out of the middle. And there's your new design. And you can see how the design changed on the back. You can do it again, pinch, push, peel, and it'll open to a new design. And again, you can see how the design changed. Well done. Trihexaflexagon. That's yours.